all my gorgeous. This is Hema from Shivani Boutique, spreading colors globally. 2022 new collection started and different concept, different color combinations, new arrivals and whatnot. Everything at one shelter is Shivani Boutique. Let's start the show. The first sari is this. It's a linen mixed sari and it is very comfortable to wear, and you have got a beautiful patchwork pallu, and then you have got the same color blouse in this. It's an organza pallu, and something really unique and special, and I've got nice colors in this. See, this is a pale chiku based color. The highlight of the sari, it's very decent and color combination is really pretty, and you have got this pallu as well, and with floral body. In the body portion also you have got this minute cut works. You can see these cut works here and there. You can see these cut works. While you wear the sari, you can find the cut works here and there. And then I wanted to show you the blouse as well. And this is the blouse. You can make some beautiful this pale orange color embroideries on the blouses, or a mix and match according to your taste and preference. Then comes this. It's a very different green color combination. The concept is one and the same, only the colors and little bit of patchwork. There will be a difference in the patchwork on the pallu. See, this is the patchwork pallu. So see, this is how it looks, and this comes with a linen patchwork pallu, that with an organza, and this also with an organza. So each sari differs. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp us 9585501762. All right, and this is the body portion. So the body is a patchwork. You can find here patchworks here and there. That was a cut work. So each and every sari differs accordingly. And then comes the other one, the same one of different color combination. The colors are really sweet. People who want like sober colors can absolutely go for this, and the highlight is the pallu portion, which I am loving. This, it's a patchwork, and then comes this nice aqua green color, and the patchwork here, it's a zari patchwork. Let me open and show you guys. See how it looks. It's a scallop kind of pallu thing, and you can find all beautiful zari patchwork on the pallu, and also all over the body as well. You can find beautiful patchwork, zari patchwork. So this is how the sari look. It comes with a plain sober matching blouse as well. Then these are all linen by Tessers, pure ones, or all-time favorite sari. It's a half white color sari, beautiful sari. See this, and it listens to you a lot. This is the shoulder pallu portion. Yeah, pallu is the small lines, that's it. Nice sari it is. And then for the pleat area, it comes this way. Hope you can understand how it comes. All right, and then followed by that is the blouse. And then the next sari is this pure linen by Tesser silk. Such a nice, amazing sari it is. See, it's a pale yellow color, and you can find beautiful floral embroideries. These are all mission embroideries, but it is very lightweight, and it listens to you a lot. So the saris, which is really good, we keep posting in our website as well as for the online clients. So see the sari, it's very lightweight and listens to you a lot. And then my next design is, these borders are really great and something really different, and what to say, lovely it is. So this is the pale purple color pallu with a pale purple color blouse. It's a very pale shade, and so this is how the sari look. It's so pretty and elegant. And then next comes, the border is something really new. These are all pure linen by Tesser fabric. See this, something really nice and different ones. These are all. So the borders are this way, and the entire body is this. So this is how the sari looks, something neat and posh colors. These are all. Then comes linen by Tesser. It is and hand block printed with abla works, hand works. So something new and different concept. So these are all our repeats which I'm showing it to you right now. It has got excellent response in our counter as well, and this is the sari, and pallu is a indigo blue color pallu, and then the blouse is this hand block printed blouse. And once again, hand block printed sari, it's a linen by Tazzer silk sari, and it is very very elegant as well. Some geometrical designs. So many people of my offline clients like geometrical designs, and I love florals, and this is the what to say, blouse for this. And then my last saree is something really lightweight and different. So see this. This is also linen by Tazzer silk, and I wanted to open this saree, otherwise you can't understand. This is the pallu portion, and then see this shoulder pallu is this, and then rest of the portion is chiffon by Georgette. So the color, you have got deep green, blue, pale, also it is like a rainbow colored thing, and this is the blouse part. Alright, how it is, this is the blouse part, and then the shoulder pallu are these, and then followed by that is this thing. It is this. That is the for the down pleat area. This linen by Tazzer. It's something really different and novel as well. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivaniBoutique.com. Else click the above link, or else 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. We are at your service. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of pretty beautiful collections. Bye.